Dealing with a narcissist can be challenging, and it is important to approach this situation with care and consideration for your own well-being. While the idea of making a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you might seem appealing, it's very important to recognize that narcissists often have a different perspective on relationships and emotional connections. Remember, a narcissist is a selfish, self-centered, self-absorbed, egocentric, egotistic individuals. They focus on me, 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 me. It's always about their own needs. Narcissists, they lack empathy. They use, then discard you. They need constant attention, constant admiration, constant validation from you. Their main mission is to hurt you, to punish you, to control you. Now, if you need to make this narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, number one, focus on self-improvement. For example, take up new hobbies or skills. If you start learning a new language, or for instance, excel in a new sport, the narcissist may notice your growth and they'll feel regretful about missing out on your evolution. The other thing to make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you is to set healthy boundaries. For example, clearly define what is acceptable and unacceptable in your interactions. By maintaining boundaries, you show that you respect yourself, which can make them reconsider their behavior. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, exhibit confidence. Engage in activities that boost your self-esteem. A narcissist is often drawn to confident people, so displaying your confidence can make them regret their decision to leave you. You can also develop independence. Start making decisions on your own and rely less on the narcissist's approval. This independence can show them that you are thriving without them, possibly making them reconsider their choice. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, create emotional distance. For example, reduce contact and avoid emotional displays when interacting with them. This can create a sense of mystery and might make them miss the emotional connection you once had. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, build a support system. Strengthen relationships with friends and family. A strong support system can make you more resilient and less dependent on the narcissist's validation. You can also focus on your goals. For example, pursue career or personal goals with dedication. Demonstrating success and ambition can be appealing and make the narcissist question their decision to leave you. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, show resilience. Handle challenges with grace and perseverance. Show that you can overcome difficulties without their support. This can highlight your strength and independence. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, improve your appearance. Take care of your health and appearance. Sometimes looking your best can attract attention and make someone reflect on what they are missing. Also, stay positive. Maintain an optimistic outlook and avoid dwelling on the past. A positive attitude can make you more attractive and show that you are thriving without them. You can also engage in social activities. Attend social events and gatherings. Seeing you actively engaging in social circles can make them realize you are moving forward and enjoying life. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, highlight your strengths. Share your accomplishments and skills in an unbragging way. This can subtly remind them of the qualities they might miss. Also, avoid complaining. Don't dwell on negative aspects or complain about the past relationship. Focus on positive aspects of your life. This can make you seem more attractive. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, be respectful. Treat them with respect, even if they don't reciprocate. This can highlight your maturity and might make them regret their behavior. Stay busy. Fill your schedule with activities and commitments. Being busy can give the impression that you are leading a fulfilling life without them. Also, try to cultivate new relationships. For example, form new friendships and relationships. Seeing you connect with others can make them reflect on their own loss. Be emotionally stable. Demonstrate emotional control and maturity. Emotional stability can be appealing and might make the narcissist regret leaving someone who is emotionally balanced. You can also seek professional help. Consider therapy or counseling to work through your emotions. This can help you build resilience and demonstrate that you are actively working on personal growth. Show gratitude. Express gratitude for the good times you shared. This can show maturity and might make them reflect on the positive aspects of the relationship. Be yourself. Stay true to your values and personality. Authenticity can be attractive and might make them reconsider their decision to leave someone genuine. Also, to make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, avoid being available all the time. Limit your availability and avoid being overly eager to please. This can make them reconsider the value of your presence in their life. Practice self-care. For example, engage in activities that promote your well-being, like meditation or exercise. Taking care of yourself can show that you are thriving and content on your own. Show emotional intelligence. Handle interactions with thoughtfulness and empathy. Emotional intelligence can be compelling and might make them miss the depth of your connection. Engage in personal development. Take courses or workshops that interest you. Personal development can showcase your growth and might make them question their decision to leave you. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, be supportive to others. Show kindness and support to friends and family. Demonstrating your nurturing side can remind them of the supportive role you played in their life. Celebrate your achievements. Share your successes and milestones. Celebrating your achievements can make them reflect on the positive impact you had in their life. Avoid negative communication. For example, keep interactions polite and avoid arguing. Positive communication can leave a lasting impression and might make them reconsider their actions. Create new memories. Engage in activities that create new positive experiences. Making new memories can help you move on and show that you are capable of finding joy without them. You can also show ambition. Pursue professional or personal goals with enthusiasm. Ambition can be attractive and might make them reconsider their decision to leave you. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, cultivate emotional independence. Work on relying less on external validation. Emotional independence can be empowering and might make them realize what they are missing. You can also practice forgiveness. Let go of resentment and focus on your own healing. Forgiveness can be liberating and show that you are moving forward positively. Be mysterious. Occasionally keep some aspects of your life private. A sense of mystery can make you more intriguing and might prompt them to think about you more. Engage in creative outlets. Explore artistic or creative activities like painting or writing. Creativity can be a powerful way to express yourself and might catch their attention. Show empathy towards others. For example, demonstrate understanding and compassion in your interactions. Empathy can highlight your emotional depth and might make them regret their decision. Pursue your passions. To make a narcissist miss you, engage in activities you're passionate about. Pursuing your passions can show that you are living a fulfilling life and might make them feel they missed out. To make a narcissist miss you and regret leaving you, maintain your integrity. For example, stay true to your values and principles. Integrity can be a powerful trait that might make them reflect on their actions. Focus on personal growth. Set and achieve personal development goals. Personal growth can be a strong indicator of your thriving life and might lead them to reconsider their decision. Be generous with praise. Offer genuine praise to others. Generosity can be a reminder of your supportive nature and might make them miss your positive reinforcement. Narcissistic relationships often leave a profound impact on those involved. And a common question that arises is whether narcissists come back after breakup. This question is multifaceted and requires a nuanced understanding of narcissistic behavior and relationship dynamics. So, in this video, I'm going to give you a comprehensive exploration of this topic. Do narcissists come back? Now, understanding narcissism. Narcissistic personality disorder is characterized by a pervasive pattern of grandiosity, need for admiration, and lack of empathy. Narcissists often have a fragile self-esteem and they seek external validation to bolster their self-worth. This psychological profile influences their behavior in relationships. Let's look at the cycle of idealization and evaluation. Narcissistic relationships typically follow a cycle of idealization, devaluation, and discard. So during the idealization phase, the narcissist showers their partner with attention and affection. However, this phase is often superficial and the relationship eventually shifts to devaluation, where the partner is criticized and neglected. Then there's also the discard and hoovering. When a narcissistic relationship ends, the narcissist may engage in a behavior known as hoovering. This term refers to the narcissist's attempts to suck their former partner back into the relationship, often through manipulation or deceitful tactics. This can involve promising change or expressing regret, but the underlying motives are usually self-serving. Why narcissists return? Narcissists may come back for several reasons. They might want to regain the sense of control and admiration they previously enjoyed, or they might seek to reassert dominance after experiencing a perceived threat to their self-esteem. Additionally, if the narcissist is experiencing a period of emotional or psychological instability, they might reach out to former partners for validation or support. The narcissist's lack of accountability is an issue that we have to look at in this video. One of the key characteristics of narcissists is their inability to take responsibility for their actions. So when they come back, they often do so without genuine remorse or understanding of their previous behavior. Their return might be more about their own needs than an actual desire to improve the relationship. When narcissists return, they frequently use manipulation tactics to re-enter their partner's life. This might include love bombing, where they overwhelm their ex with affection and promises, or gaslighting, where they attempt to make their ex doubt their own perceptions of the past relationship. The emotional impact of a relationship with a narcissist can leave lasting scars. Individuals who have been in such relationships may find themselves vulnerable to the narcissist's attempts at re-engagement. Understanding this vulnerability is crucial in recognizing and resisting the narcissist's manipulative tactics. The return of a narcissist can trigger a wide range of emotional and psychological effects in their former partners, including confusion, anxiety, and self-doubt. The roller coaster of hope and disappointment can make it challenging for individuals to maintain clear boundaries and make rational decisions. A narcissist's return can be particularly impactful if the individual's self-esteem has been significantly damaged during the relationship. A weakened sense of self-worth may make it more difficult for the former partner to resist the narcissist's attempts to reconnect. For many individuals, the no-contact rule is a crucial strategy for recovery from a narcissistic relationship. This involves cutting off all forms of communication with the narcissist, which helps to break the cycle of manipulation and allows the individual to focus on healing and rebuilding their self-esteem. Seeking therapy can be immensely beneficial for individuals recovering from a narcissistic relationship. A therapist can help individuals process their experiences, rebuild their self-esteem, and develop strategies for managing potential encounters with the narcissist. It is important to recognize that narcissists often follow predictable patterns of behavior. Understanding these patterns can help individuals anticipate and resist the narcissist's attempts to re-enter their lives. This awareness is key in maintaining emotional and psychological boundaries. So, recovery from a narcissistic relationship often involves a period of personal growth and self-discovery. By focusing on self-care, setting boundaries, and cultivating a strong sense of self-worth, individuals can empower themselves to resist the narcissist's attempts at re-engagement. Establishing and maintaining firm boundaries is essential when dealing with a narcissist. This includes being clear about one's limits and ensuring that any interactions are purposeful and necessary. Strong boundaries help to protect one's emotional well-being and prevent the narcissist from exerting undue influence. Having a support network of friends, family, and mental health professionals can provide crucial support during the process of recovery. These individuals can offer perspective, encouragement, and assistance in navigating interactions with the narcissist. The experience of a narcissistic relationship can influence how individuals approach future relationships. It is important to be meaningful and to be mindful of one's own needs and boundaries, and to seek relationships that are based on mutual respect and healthy dynamics. In some cases, dealing with a narcissist may involve legal or practical considerations, such as custody arrangements or financial disputes. In such situations, it is important to seek legal advice and ensure that one's rights and interests are protected. Engaging in self-reflection and healing is a critical part of recovering from a narcissistic relationship. This process involves understanding one's own needs, desires, and boundaries, and taking proactive steps to foster personal growth and well-being. There are numerous resources available for individuals seeking to understand and navigate relationships with narcissists. Books, articles, and online communities can provide valuable insights and support for those affected by narcissistic behavior. Ultimately, knowledge and awareness are powerful tools in dealing with narcissistic individuals. By understanding the dynamics of narcissistic behavior and developing strategies for self-care and boundary setting, individuals can empower themselves to build a healthier relationships and protect their emotional well-being. In summary, while narcissists may indeed come back, their motivations are often self-serving and manipulative. It is crucial for individuals to recognize the patterns of narcissistic behavior, establish strong boundaries, and seek support to navigate the complexities of these interactions. Through self-awareness, personal growth, and external support, individuals can reclaim their emotional well-being and move forward with confidence. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned a thing or two. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.